and today we're gonna do some cooking class. You know what? We're
This
just
time
waiting
we're not
for you to go out.
This
We're just
time
waiting
we
for
are
you.
not going to eat it. We are going to bring it home.
Yes,
Short and
yes, and then she can eat that. We can both eat that together.
Where are you ba, kuya?
DreamPlay.
DreamPlay.
Pasan.
Okay. Good.
DreamPlay Pasan.
What are you gonna make?
We're gonna make a
Gingerbread.
gingerbread. This is the
That's-
body. This is the dough. This is some sweetening.
Okay, good evening, dreamers, and welcome to Gingy's Kitchen. My name is Jaja, and I will be your sous chef for tonight. Are y'all ready to bake, dreamers? Yes! Okay, let's start. For our first step, get a bowl of your flour, the white one. Pour everything on your table and
Over here,
spread using your clean hands. And for the next step, get the bowl of your dough, the brown one. Get all of it, fold it into circles just like playing your Play-Doh.
And, okay.
And now it's time to get your rolling pin, this one. And start rolling it on your dough forward, backward, and even side by side.
Like this.
Just make
Yes,
sure
very
that
good.
your cookie dough is not too thick or too thin, just the right size for your cookie cutter to fit. Make it wider and bigger, dreamers.
Oh, it's back in it.
And if your cookie dough is wide enough, get your cookie cutter, this one. Just make sure that the sharp side of your cookie cutter will be facing on your dough. Don't press it hard.
Put it on your dough. Good job, kuya. Okay.
Wow. Now
Press it hard. First, do not remove your cookie cutter yet. Instead, remove the excess dough first from the outside.
Good job, ah. Have to push it hard, kuya. This is your thing. It's not enough pa, enough. Make it thinner. Wait. Yan. Okay, go. Go, kuya. It will fit na. Iinan mo, anak. Ano? Wait, wait, wait. I'll help you. I'll help you. Wait. Yan. Okay. Okay. Sige, remove the sides. Are you good, Gwen? How are you doing? Great. Okay. Okay na yun, anak. Oops. Sige, oh, put it na. Madiin. Yun. Okay. Okay.
Dreamers, it's baking time. I'll go around now and pull up all your cookie dough so we can bake them.
Remove the ones on the side.
I can make another one with this.
Hi, Gingy! Welcome to the kitchen.
Oh, no! The kitchen is my hometown. We're both buddies. Where I am. Goodbye.
Sure, high five. Yes. Of course I did, Gingy. Did you wash your hands, dreamers? Yes. Wash them already. I said my muffins are only made for the outside, Gingy.
Landlord! You want shrimp
There are no overs here. Look at them.
There's nothing wrong with all of the cars. Except the managers. That place are fine with mine.
Say excuse.
What? I can't remember wrong. So what are we making today anyway?
And today we're making a gingerbread man cookie just
Did
like
somebody say
you.
mud pies?
Hi, Shred.
I'll have two, please.
Hi,
And a side of
Dottie.
muffins if you've got any.
No, you're not allowed in here, Shrek.
Oh, come on, Gingy. Are you still sore about that weed fire? It was an honest mistake. Who knew you weren't supposed to throw water on an oil fire?
Or put fire on a gas bill. Or spill cats in bathwater. Or throw bathwater on your grandma when she's asleep. Or go to sleep when you're cooking grandma's angry cat flambe a la mode.
Ooh, that was a fun day in the kitchen. Ooh. Well, what are you cooking today?
Cooking a
I don't know what you're
gingerbread
cooking to get this for, but it smells nasty.
Is it nasty?
Probably some
Don't
Shrek
even
food.
say
Or
that.
something I did eat.
Wait a minute, is that you I'm smelling? Woo!
Better out than in, I always say.
And I always say better outside than inside. You gotta get rid of that stench before I go blind. You foul breaker.
You complete.
Nah, all we need is a fan. Where's the switch for the fan around here? Ah, here it is.
No, don't touch that. Come on.
Genius is trouble. Turn it up, Daddy, turn it.
Oh my god.
Well, I'd say Gingy's probably not a fan of yours right about now.
We can't even find it. Oh, the piece of dude is probably in 100 pieces back there. And it's all our fault, Shrek. How you gonna tell us why? You gotta do something, Shrek. I am not going back to jail. I'm too sensitive for incarceration.
Calm down, donkey.
Am I still
You
going
make
to be
icing.
next
We can
Sunday?
rebuild him. Better and stronger than before.
Yeah, let's make it sweeter too. Less vinegar in our
Like
cooking
Fred
frame.
and
The old
Ducky
ginger was way
here
too close.
out. Okay, dreamers, I'm so sorry for what happened with Gingy, but I know that the management can always fix it. Move on to the next part of our class, which is cookie decorating. Kindly place your favorite towels near you, including your crustics. As you can see, we have provided 2 colors of icings, and the proper way of using it is to hold it from the top. Squeeze it gently so that the icing will come out. And just to tell you for you streamers, did you know here in Gingy's kitchen, we have a magical oven, this one, that can bake your cookies faster than the usual. All you have to do is to continue from 10 down to 1, and remember, the louder that you count, the sweeter all of your cookies will be. So are you ready to count with me, dreamers? Yes! Let's start counting in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shred your back.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I don't mean to interrupt.
It's
But can
okay.
you tell me what to use to put out an oil fire?
What for?
For no reason.
It's for, remember?
Great, I knew that. Carry on, just as you would if there wasn't an oil fire burning back there. Which there isn't.
Alright, just be careful next time, Shred Dreamers. Here are all your cookies baked and ready. So once you receive your cookies, you may now start decorating it. You can put some ice, nose, lips, your favorite number, or your name to make it more personalized. And don't forget to make your gingerbread cookie smile. Careful, it's hard.
I'm afraid I have a bit of bad news. Gingy is no longer with us.
Is that for good?
Everything we could. We just couldn't save him.
In the end, his poor wee gingerbread heart just couldn't take it. Do you hear something?
Yeah, my mind working. Since Ginger's no longer with us, maybe we could rename the place.
Let me guess. Shay Donkey?
I was thinking more along the lines of Donkey's House of Waffles. Home of the world famous donkey waffles.
Nobody's going to want to eat something called a donkey waffle.
Donkeys will.
You're the only donkey.
Exactly. I'm the target audience. Waffle sandwiches, waffle appetizers, waffles topped with waffles, and for dessert, waffle parfait.
Here,
We used too much sugar back then.
Yeah.
Everyone is done cooking because class is over.
No, it's
On
over.
behalf of everyone at Gingy, we hope you've had a nice time. Come and see us again soon. And remember, it's sometimes more fun on the way up than it is on the way in.
What about a waffle surprise? Like a waffle inside of a waffle. It's genius. We're gonna make a ton of money. I'm telling you right now, this is the ticket track. This is our ticket to fame and fortune.
Dreamers, since our class is over, I will give you 5 more seconds to finalize your designs in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Everybody hands up, dreamers. Put down all your frostings. Hands up, hands up. Hands up. And give yourselves a round of applause for doing such a great job. And listen up, all of your cookies are edible, so if you want to eat them or burn it outside, yes, you may. But before that, don't forget to remove your apron and wash again your hands before visiting the kitchen. Thank you for visiting Gingy's Kitchen.